Welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Sengolrajan, Associate Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Tunganadu College of Engineering, Tiruchirappalli. Now I am going to discuss on smart sensors in sensors and transducers for 5th semester students of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Let me go into depth of what is smart sensor. Smart sensors are otherwise called as smart transducers. As we are aware that what is a transducer? A transducer is nothing but a device which converts any physical quantity into an electrical quantity in terms of voltage or current signals. The voltage means here this transducer will be able to occur on voltage or able to conduct on voltage of around 0 to 24 volt. If I say in current 4 to 16 milliamps or pressure 3 to 15 psi, that is pounds per square inch. So this is the voltage, current and pressure ranges of an instrumentation where this transducer can be able to convert the physical quantity into an electrical quantity. Then we are going to see how this transducer will going to act as a smart transducer. If you say the word smart transducer means you take the word and you start expanding means the S stands for sensing and M stands for monitoring or A stands for and R stands for remote, T stands for transmission. That means you can be able to sense, monitor and remote transmission using this transducer. The thing signal, it may be either an analog or it may be a digital type where you can be able to combine the processing unit as well as the communication interface by using this smart transducer. The sensor will provide its final output as an electrical output, that is in terms of voltage or current signals, but we have to combine with suitable interfacing devices. Suitable interfacing devices. If you do that, then the sensor can be called as an intelligent sensor. How it can be made as an intelligent sensor? If you are defining the sensor or the sensor we are going to combine with the microprocessor, then it can be able to perform even the logical functions as as a decision making, or you can go with the two-way communications. Two-way communications. If you are combining the smart or an intelligent sensor with the microprocessor based means, it can be able to perform more functions, even the logical functions, design making, and the two-way communications. So the smart sensors or the transducer can be abbreviated as or expressed sensor plus suitable interfacing circuits is nothing but a smart sensor. If you are interfacing the sensor with the suitable circuits, then you can call it as a smart sensor. The smart sensor is different from a conventional sensor, where the conventional sensor will not do the special functions, but this smart sensor will go with the logical functionings, range, calibration communications with other devices. If we see about the features of smart sensor, the first feature is automatic ranging, auto calibration of data through an inbuilt system, an automatic data acquisition system, and storage of data in local memory with the field devices. Then auto linearization of nonlinear functions, auto correction of offsets, that is during the measurement you may have an offset, time and temperature drifting or drifts. Then the next feature you may have with the smart sensor is self-tuning control algorithms and easy communication through serial bus. Let me repeat the features again. Automatic ranging, auto calibration of data through an inbuilt system, automatic data acquisition and storage of data in local memory of the field device, auto linearization of even the nonlinear functions, auto correction of offsets, time and temperature drifting. All this time temperature is being automatically correcting the offsets, then self-tuning algorithms, easy communication through serial bus, where you are having the serial bus RS-232, RS-422, RS-485. You can communicate with the series communication protocols by using this smart sensor. Then, why we have to go for adaptation of smart sensor? If you want to utilize the benefits, utilize the benefits and make the sensor to involve with the control functions, there is a need. Since let me list out the needs why we have to go for this adoption of smart sensor. If you adopt the smart sensor, there is no need of bulk cables and connectors, digital communication, enhanced features, reliability, higher signal to noise ratio, that is SNR, then improved characteristics. Because of this adaptation of these facilities, we have to go with the smart sensors interfacing with the driver circuits. Let me see about the architecture of a smart sensor. The left hand side you are having the sensing element, and the sensing element will senses the signal or captures the signal and gives to signal conditioning circuit, where the signal conditioning eliminates the SNR signal to noise ratio, distortion, and the pure signal will be processed and amplified, and it is communicated to produce a digital output in terms of a voltage or current signals. The smart sensor will be involved with the sensing, signal conditioning, signal processing, and the network communications. All these four processing is combined with a single unit that is called the smart sensor. If we go with the architecture of a smart sensor, let me see on from left to right. In the left hand side, you are having around four transducer. As we know, what transducer will do. It is going to acquire the physical signals, and it is acquire the physical signals. It is going to convert into electrical quantities. How it is being done? It is being given to a transducing element, and this transducing element is going to convert the physical parameters into an electrical quantity that is being acquired by this transducer, and it will have some comparisons with the comparator. Then the signals, if it is good, good or strong enough, means then it is using sample and holding circuits. Then from the sample and holding circuits, the signal is given to a multiplexer. Unlike multiplexer, what is multiplexer? There is many signal that is processed and produces in one signal. Those many inputs, output is being one. So here from transducer 1, transducer 2, transducer 3, and transducer 4, the four signals is given individually to a comparator, where the comparator compares the capture the signals, and those and comparisons converts into an amplified signals. That amplified signals is being holding the sampling and holding circuits, and after removing the noise, it is being given to an analog multiplexer, where this analog multiplexer is gives only one output signal to an ADC, where this ADC will follows and conversion of analog signals to digital signals using ACR technique. Let me explain what is ACR technique. One of the most important and realistic features having technique is ACR technique, that is successive approximation technique, where using this successive approximation technique, all the data will be compared and converted from analog to digital signals, where it has its special features, that is start of command and the end of command, where all the bits is being entirely converted into digital signals. Then from the multiplexer, it is given to the sampling coil hold circuit that is connected to the processor. From the processor, the temporary memory will be stored in the stack kit, and it has some D2A, that is DAC. Then to the left hand side, the compensation circuits. Compensation circuits. If any compensation is being required, the signal is being weakened. It is being amplified and given to analog multiplexer, where only one amplified signal, the output is given to ADC. Then, after conversion of analog to digital signals, it is being transported through serial communication protocols RS-232, RS-432, and services to the output. So, the smart transducer involves in various blocks such as capturing the signals, comparing the signals, removing the noise distortions, and amplifying the signal where it is being interfaced with the interfacing circuits. These all the conversions analog to digital signals. And the two digital signals is being communicated through serial communication protocols to the so this is called a smart transducer. Thank you. Let me see you in the next video.